lost control ever so slightly a couple of times, but it is tricky down there.
Yeah,
it's easy. It's not easy.
It is.
So
It's very
disorientating.
discombobulating. Yeah. Seen one in situ in a mine
We're
before.
going to come back to that. We're going over this. This is a level. Right?
This is an actual level.
I love it when you get excited.
Oh man, don't knock that wall.
I'm trying not to.
No pressure.
Look
No
at the
pressure.
level.
No pressure for the driver.
Oh look. Oh yes.
We're in a level.
We're in an actual
So how deep
level.
are we? 79 feet.
So 80 feet below where we are. That's probably. I'll work out. I'll have a look on the mine plan later and find out which level it is.
If you do manage to get a picture, we'll put it in the video.
Yeah. Reason I wanted you to stay for a second where that hand barrow was, I'm going to grab a screenshot of that as well.
What we got here?
This is a proper level, isn't it?
To see that though.
Oh man.
What a find.
What an artifact. Look at it go.
So we're 80 foot down.
It's quite silted, isn't it? I mean, it's very low.
Trying to stay out.
Whoa, sec. What's that? Down there. Might be nothing. There was something on the floor. To the right. No, just rock. Yeah.
It's tricky not stirring it up.
Yeah. It looks like it's silted almost to the roof, unless it's backfill. It's getting
With the
worse.
straws.
Wow, look at that.
Look at that.
It's getting worse. It's getting like the silt is coming up.
The roof almost.
Yeah.
I'm only going to go as far as
Yeah, no.
I dare.
You can go down a bit.
There's the halo climb.
Yes.
We're just above it. So if I go into that, that'll stir it all up.
Look at all the stacked rock on the
Yeah, I think that's
right-hand side
backfill.
now.
Yeah, it's not silted, it's
So if you see
backfill.
backfill
But it
like
opens
that,
up again.
Does that generally mean you're coming towards where there might be the end of the level?
It could be, or it's an old level that's been worked out and they're not really using it anymore.
What's this?
What's that? Let's go up to that little bench.
Slowly, slowly.
Yeah.
Oh, this is brilliant.
Okay, now what's that?
It's a pipe.
There's some little white objects on it.
Let's go a bit closer.
Close as you dare.
So I've got vision lock on this now, so I don't lose control of it badly.
Good. Yeah, just a pipe, I think, isn't it? Or a plank or a bench.
Nothing special.
No. Okay.
Up a little bit out the halo climb. That's what it's called.
The level seems to be opening up a little bit again now.
81 feet deep.
Yeah.
It's like it's going downhill.
Yeah.
That's what it feels like. I'm not moving. Stuck.
Okay.
Stuck. There we go.
Oh, there it goes.
What's this? What's this?
It drops away up there.
Ladder. It's got to be. Is it?
Ooh, it looks like one.
Is there a false floor there?
Yeah, false floor above. Yeah. And what have we got down on the floor?
It's not a ladder.
No, it's just a bunch of old planks, isn't it?
It's very narrow and it looks
Yeah.
like a dead end.
That does look like an end, actually. Yeah, that surely that's an end.
Oh no.
It's all right, we're going out now anyway. Yeah, and that's the roof above it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is an end.
Okay.
I'll spin round,
Yeah.
down through there.
Here we go. Light warp speed.
Yeah. There we go.
That's it.
I
I had a few moments there.
It was a bit stuck, yeah.
I want to look at that hand barrow again.
Let's go light warp speed to it.
Yeah. The Empire Strikes Back.
Brilliant. That's cool, that was. Love it, don't you?
We should have that printed on a t-shirt with the ROV and light warp speed on it, yeah.
Did I go under or over that? Problem I got here, control this, I don't have my glasses on.
Oh, yeah, you went under it.
Under, yes.
Is there anything up there, actually, to see?
It's just gonna be Stokes back up to where we are here.
Right.
Yeah, that's, yeah.
And here, weaved away.
I weaved my way through these, I remember that big
this
one.
first one. And then under this next.
There's the barrow, is it? Oh, not yet. There it is.
Right, okay. Back.
Yeah, let's just look at that for a moment. That is brilliant.
Position lock.
That is beautiful. So yeah, literally an oar stretcher is what it is.
I'm going to try and get lower to it so you can get
Yeah.
a nice
Yeah, and get up close and
view
personal.
of it. Yeah, absolutely. So if I, oh no, don't do that. Turn it, lower it. Go back.
Yeah. There it is.
How about that? Folks?
That is beautiful. The only one I've ever seen underground.
Fortunately, I'm messing it up.
Gone now.
Yeah. Oh well. We know it's there. We've seen it. It'll be clear again in a few hours. That water.
Just crashed into it.
There it was. Very close.
You wanted to close up?
Yeah. And you went over one of those timbers, didn't you? There we go, and under that one. So let's follow the level the other way now then.
Are you pulling on it?
No, just loosing my hand. I think we're up around a timber there. If you have a look.
I'm trying to follow it. For some reason, it's not having it.
There's something behind you, I think. It's caught behind you.
I'm on the floor. No.
No.
It's over the timber.
No, oh.
There we go. There we go.
This is good.
Yeah, back where we are now.
Um,
So we've gone over the barrow. So does the level carry on, or is it? Oh, there's a ladder through there.
I think that's the one we've seen.
Is it? Oh, yeah. Yeah, it is. Okay, we've made a big loop then.
Yeah.
That's a nice view of it, though.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so we.
That's the silt on the other side.
Yeah. Okay, bro.
Oh, here we go again. And up we go.
Yep.
Let's find the cable.
currently it's a bit, that's it, it's loose now.
There it is.
What the hell? What am I doing? There we are.
Well, that was superb to see that barrow.
Oh, it was a nice surprise.
That was brilliant.
There we go.
Fantastic.
Light warp speed.
Yeah.
That's it for the ROV in here.
There's one more.
Is there?
There is, yeah.
Oh, there's light warp speed.
Yeah, in that little alcove further on.
Yeah, correct. I can see the light. Look.
See that torch.
Oh, yeah.
Isn't it?
I love the noise.
Well, I hope you like that, folks. We did.
That was fantastic.
Lost control ever so slightly a couple of times, but it is tricky down there.
Yeah,
it's not
it is.
easy. It's not as easy.
It is.
So
It's very
disorientating.
discombobulating. Yeah.
Completely.
How about that, though?
Wow. So we have one more to go.